Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Just the other day I opened up the Witch's Moon. That was the first time I opened that version on the box, but now we have the Witch's Roots. I guess saying the version isn't the correct term, but this company, the Witch's Moon, has 3, I believe, maybe even 4 subscription boxes. And today we're opening up the Witch's Roots, and this is all revolved around the theme, which has to do with an herb. So I absolutely love this subscription. I opened up the Witch's Moon, like I just said, I'm not sure what day this video is going up, but a few days ago. And that one is a little bit more expensive. It's around $50 including shipping, and this box is $30 including shipping. So I think both are great. I haven't looked to see what's in April's box yet, but I've been loving it. I think this is my 4th time getting it. I will link them down below. I get mine through Cratejoy. I do pay for it myself. But before we get started, I just want to take a moment to say hi, welcome, or welcome back if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here at 5 p.m. Eastern Time. So if you love them too, I hope you consider sticking around and subscribing. But let's get started. Let's open this. I am so excited. I know this is gonna like perk me up. I have class late on Wednesday nights and I did not sleep well, and I'm used to sleeping like 9 hours. So if I'm a little slow or something, it's just because I'm sleepy. Everything's good. When I open it up, this is what it looks like. I love that they've been including these personal oracle card readings in here. And then, whoa, something smells really good. So let's start with my personal oracle card. Spirit. Spirit is a flow of insight into the true self. I love that. So true. I'm looking, I keep filming with like my drawers open. I think it's full of tarot cards. Let's see if this is the same theme as the last. Oh, the theme is the fairy passage. Sweet. The moon box is deep in the forest or deep in the woods, something like that was the name of the entire theme. So this is about spring. The fairy passage. As Ostara passes, spring comes to bring fresh and vibrantly new energies to our surroundings. This is not just another spring, but the newest spring, full of unbound potential and opportunity. It is so important not to make a mistake of viewing the seasons as recurring occasion, but rather a one and only experience of unique and wonderful gestures. If you take the time to slow down during your busy days, you might catch a glimpse or a message from the fae fluttering nearby. As with most practitioners that are connected with the natural elements of this world, you will most likely have potted plants, herb gardens, trees, or small ponds nearby. These pockets of nature hold untold powers of magic, feeding our spirit during our rituals and meditations. In this celebratory collection of spring, we work within our relationship with the fairy, offering our gestures and small bits of guidance and companionship. And the magical items in this box are as follows. I love the whole aesthetic of this box and how they include information on every single item. I think it's amazing. Let's see what deck our personalized oracle readings from. It is from the Fairy Guidance Oracle deck by Polly Faye. So they say they meditate and select a card, so it's special for each person. We'll each get something new. I think that's super cool that they do that, and I love mine. Spirit, yes. And then we always get these beautiful art prints. I am obsessed. One will have the herb of the month, and then another varies based on the box. It looks like we have a poem on here. Isn't this so beautiful? I won't read this all out loud because I know some people are like, okay, we get it. You don't need to read everything. I just like to experience the entire thing when I unbox it, but I understand you don't want a video that's a million years long. Kind of want to read it though. Who's this by? W.B. Yeats. Let's see what it says on here. I just saw there's a deck in here. Guys, I have a second channel. It's all about tarot readings and spirituality. Kitty outside the box. I'll link it down below. But whenever I get decks of any kind, it really excites me. Where is this? Okay. So this beautiful poem comes from William Butler Yeats, a wonderful Irish poet, dramatist, and writer. As you read this poem, you can truly feel how palpable his inspiration must have been. Okay, we have to read it. I'm sorry. Not sorry. Mist-clad in the light of the moon, star-spun seekers, I search for thee. Fairy light, I ask thy boon, of branch and thorn and elder tree. Wood-woven creatures, shadow weavers, river keepers, come to me. Just beyond reaching, never in keeping, spirits of fairy, I call unto thee. Wind-hewn wind-hewn wildness, dark and brightness, spiral enchantments born of the sky. Cradle me with 11 hands, abide with me, thy human child. I was doing really good in the beginning without messing up, but then I did towards the end. But that's cute, I like this. And then our, it's rose hips. I was going to say our rose of the month, our herb of the month is rose hips. I just love these prints. So they'll give the associations with the plant, what stones it works well with, its medicinal, like, historical uses, and magical properties. And they're so beautiful. And oh, and I didn't mention this. Also, what colors it's associated with, other names, native origin, botanical allies, and animal allies. I love that. Oh, it's this cat. I had a feeling for some reason. I don't know why. And it encourages longevity and well-being. It is often used in many cosmetic recipes to enhance youthfulness and beauty. Like the rose hips attract energies of healing, renewal, peace, and tranquility. It provides extra potency in rituals of purification, forgiveness, and reconciliation. As an excellent aphrodisiac, rose hips are often added to romantic baths, sprinkled around the bed, or even worn to induce extra passion and desire. Awesome. Let's start with the deck after this because I mentioned it. This must be a Forest Fae. Wait, so it's the same deck as what we got this one out of, I think. Wait, am I for real? No, sorry, it's a little different. Okay. So, let me get I won't go through all of them, but if you guys are interested, I will definitely be using this in an upcoming video on my other channel. It has 40 cards. Oh my god, something smells so good. It must be the incense or something else. Do I have scissors nearby? But it says 40 magical cards invite you to delight in your imagination and spark joy and inspiration. I am so excited. This is an interesting shaped. Okay, come on now. So opens like this. Oh! So here's the front. So it says how to use these cards. Oh my gosh, so cute. So this is what the back of them looks like. I love it. And here's an example. Let's just... The Spell Singer. Cast spells of wonder and delight. And then what was the bottom? The Soothsayer. Travel the road seldom taken. Oh my god, so cute. Keep going. Trust in yourself. You have all you need. Oh my god, these are going to be perfect to add on to readings. I need to cleanse these, charge them, and I'm going to use them. The very last one is the Green Witch. Connect to the spirit energies of your local landscape. Seek enchantment. I love these, you guys. Oh my god. I love the back. I love what the messages throughout, even though I've only seen like 4 of them. Totally happy with this. Yay. Cool. I love getting new decks. And I like how this is smaller. It doesn't take up too much room. Even though I don't even mind, but... Okay, let's keep going. Let's look at this incense. Is this what smells so good? Yes, Spring Awakening. Like, it kind of smells like citronella, honestly, but I like that smell. Let's see what it says. Am I right? Am I right? This wonderfully fragrant ritual incense sticks were included within this collection to form a celebration. As days become warmer and the fragrance of new growth surrounds your home, allow the smoke from this incense to flow through your open windows and doors, embracing the awakening of spring. This smells really good. I don't know if it didn't say what the smells are, but good. My cat came and joined us. Emmy, how you feeling? Looks like we have a candle here. So in the $50 box, or like the $45 box, I guess you should say, you get a full-size candle. They call these the mini ones we got each month, and they hand roll them from beeswax, assuming that this is what I'm opening. I'm pretty sure it's a candle. Emmy, you're all right. Oh, yeah. Ooh, it's rolled with herbs. Looks like there's lavender on it. I don't want to drop all herbs. I should keep this in the bag. I love that like magenta color on it. It's definitely lavender. Let's read about it. the Fairy Passage Mini Spell Candle. We have hand-rolled the Fairy Passage Mini Spell Candle with the intention of opening doorways for you to place offerings or ask for guidance from the Fae folk on your path. This candle has been rolled in lavender buds and anointed with jasmine, lang lang, and lavender oils. Awesome. Emmy, you like it? Then we have a stone here. Let's see, what is it? Oh my gosh, I don't have one of these. I get so excited. They always send unique stones. It's really cool. This is a Plum Blossom Tumbled Tourmaline. Oh my god, that's so cool. I love getting new things. I don't think I've even heard of a Plum Blossom Tourmaline. I've heard of tourmaline crystals. Sorry, it's like the shadow of it. Focus. I think it's focusing. I'm sorry if you can't see it really well. This is so cute. Let's see what it says. It's one of the most perfect stones for calming anxiety and fear. Plum Blossom Tourmaline truly carries with it the energies of peaceful vibrations and relaxation. This beautiful stone is also said to be the bridge to the spiritual beyond. As you carry this stone with you throughout the day, rely on its energies to bolster your self-confidence and bring new inspiration. I love that, and it is perfect for keeping in your hand. Definitely can fit in your pocket too. There's still a couple things left. Here are the rose hips. Awesome. And they gave a lot of them too. I love working with herbs and learning about a new herb every month. It's super inspiring for my practice, and I love it. It's so exciting to me. I'm so happy. And then let's go to the last thing here. And like the art print goes with it. I have mine around my place. I don't put them into a book of shadows. Maybe I should make one specifically for that. Oh shit. Okay. I don't know why I acted like that was the biggest deal. Pardon my French. Even oil. Twinkle Offering. Their oils are really good. Oh my god, their Goddess Prosperity oil. I should put some on. I wear it all the time. And you can see there's herbs in there, and they put some crystals and some of their own like magical oils from their special collection. Let's see where this is. Yeah, this wonderfully fragrant blend has been created to inspire and attract the elemental energies that surround you. As you use this oil, be sure that your intentions are clear. Call upon the natural guides that surround your work, seeking guidance and understanding and inspiration. We will often recite short intentional mantras as we use these oils to anoint our skin and magical tools. We have enchanted this magical anointing oil, why is that word hard for me today, with lang lang and jasmine oils, and have included herbs of lavender and dandelion leaf. And there's also a Lemurian quartz said to personify oneness into your aura. And they also included a special mixture of their fairy magical oil from their personal cabinet of witchery into the making of this oil. They said it was fragrant, so of course you have to take a sniff. Oh, it smells amazing. This smells so good. I love this. I love this box so much, you guys. I got a deck, art prints, herbs, incense, oil, and a candle, a stone. Like, this is all stuff I love, and I love this based around a theme. I get to learn new things every month. I think it is freaking awesome. Let me know your thoughts down below. I will link them down below along with my other channel if you're into this kind of stuff. I think you'll love my tarot readings, hopefully, and I plan to do more like astrology and spiritual content over there as well. But either way, I'm just so grateful you're here. Thank you so much, and I hope you guys are all safe and healthy. And again, if you haven't already subscribed, I hope you consider doing so before you go. So I see you in the next one. Bye guys, I love you.